What's up, guys? I wanted to give you an update on the worship guitar community and how it's going. So we just crossed over 180 people in the group. Super awesome. For those of you seeing this that are a part of the group, really grateful that you're there. I just wanted to give some updates on what we're looking at, what has been added since the last time I have given a video about this. We've got two tiers here. We've got the premium tier and the standard tier. I just finished the Nashville Numbers Mastery course. Technically, anybody could take this course if they're trying to apply this to their worship team. So if you're a worship pastor and you want to get your entire team on the same page, learning the Nashville number system, it's going to make them confident players. If you're just by yourself, it's going to make you a confident player, and it'll give you the ability to hear the numbers, see the numbers, understand how they work with music theory. It'll allow you to communicate in Nashville numbers and just make you an all-around more confident person on stage. So I just finished that, really excited. It's got like a 30-page workbook in there that's already included. You'll also get the speed exercises course that I created, and that's a ton of other exercises and worksheets and tabs and things like that to build your speed. And I created the Lictionary. These are all licks that either I've created or I've seen in other songs or live performances, things like that. And it's all organized so that you can learn them and help build some of your creativity. You never want to stop there, but if you use the licks, you can actually give yourself more of an arsenal with your guitar playing. So I started the Everything Brewster course. This is just everything I know that I've learned from Lincoln Brewster's songs, from his playing style, and how I apply it to worship music today and how I blend all of that. So that's in there. And then just in the standard tier, all of my transposed tabs that I've ever made for tutorials and things like that, they're in there, every single key. The video tutorials are all in there, well organized. There's probably over 100 tabs or something in there. And then if you're a Helix, Line 6 Helix, HX Stomp, PodGo, HX Effects user, I'm unlocking a patch every single month. So every month there's a new patch that comes out just for being part of the group. It's another way to get access to another patch every single month. And once you make it to your year, there's an entire patch bundle that you get. So I'm excited to roll that out for you guys. And we have weekly calls that are totally optional, but it's just a way for us to hang and ask for Q&A and things like that. For me, but for other people, we've got a wide range of age groups. So ages 15 to 60 plus. I'm really happy to see that. And I can show you on the inside what that looks like. So I like to do a poll for people. Looking at this, you're never too old and basically never too young. I started playing guitar when I was 10 and I joined the adult worship team when I was 12. So I've been playing guitar for 18 years, if that's the math, right? It's really great to see all of these people that are in here. It's really lively. It's a lively group. So this is the community tab. This is a part of everything that's a part of the group, whether you're premium or not. You get access to all of these feeds. You can learn more about the guitar. You can make your own posts. We talk a lot about gear, technique, even some of the mental things that can happen of like just being on stage, preparation, all of that. And so it's really great to see there. You can make posts here. Moving over to the classroom tab, this is where everything's going to live. So this is the monthly patch drop. You can see the whole entire first year is loaded with patches in there. So really cool to see. I'll be adding more and swapping things out as we go. This is the affiliate invite mastery. If you don't know this, by being part of the group, if you know other worship guitar players or you have a social media or whatever, people that follow you, you can invite people to be part of the group, and that'll give you a 40% commission, which is recurring. So as long as the people that you invite stay in the group, then you continue to make an affiliate, which is great guitar string money and potential gear money that you can put that towards. Past pre-Sunday huddles. This is our group calls, and it's great that we can connect and hang over like a Zoom style of calls. You'll see the Lictionary. This is where I've got about a little over 20 tabs. These are some Brewster licks that I picked up on, and then these are some of my licks that I put in videos, so that's a good start there. The goal is just to keep adding to this as we go. Nashville Numbers Mastery. It's about 3.5 hours worth of videos. But other than that, I basically put everything I know about Nashville Numbers and everything that has gotten me up to this point. I really don't know what else to add to this course, which is really cool. So we've got a 30-day challenge, which is that 30-day workbook. And then you've got practice charts here where I basically taken 10 different charts that were from real life gigs that I've made and blanked them out for you, so you can test your skills. We talk about all of this. This is the outline, and it's great. It's probably the craziest thing that I've ever put together when it comes to even just a 30-page, 30-day workbook. These are bite-sized challenges to help you learn Nashville numbers in 30 days. So we've got the speed exercises, everything from intervals, scales, a little bit of modes, cage system. This is really just all geared towards building your speed, your recognition of modes, the physicality behind building up muscles in your hands. And I started the Everything Brewster course, some concepts, all the song tutorials that I've ever done. So that's basically one of my next courses that I'm going to be filling out and basically taking everything that I've learned from my perspective in there and see what is helpful for you. Obviously, we've got the Miraculum course that I built out, and this really only applies to Christmas time, but here are all of the different tabs that I've custom created for these artists. So I've got the Elevation one. We've got all of these songs that I've made. So I went ahead and I transposed all of these in every key. It's got the tutorial that I made and the playthrough. That's supposed to be a resource to you as you are playing on stage. And if you need some help prepping, you need to learn the songs in a different key. That is what this is for. So this is the classroom tab, always throwing in different courses. So in the calendar tab, we've got our weekly call that you can hop on. Right now it's on Saturdays. But that might change at some point. And it's just more of a hang time Q&A, calling it a coffee hour, pre-Sunday huddle, whatever. And then we can see members who are in the group. You can hit people up. We've got a map here, which is really sick. You can see all of the people who are in their cities, their local areas. This is not exact, by the way. It's like off by 20 miles or something. So people aren't going to be able to find you. But it is kind of cool to see, like, this is where I'm at in this area. And we've got people around me too. I would love to build this up and then travel around a little bit and like get to meet you guys. I think it'd be really fun. We've got people all over the world. So if you're in any of these areas in the world, as long as you're not on Mars, we don't have a map for Mars yet, or the moon, then you could join and you might be able to find people that are in your area. So we've got that. We've got leaderboards. Basically, you can gain points by posting. And when people like your stuff, it's encouraging people to create meaningful posts in the group. So when people like your stuff, it means that your post had some value to it. And there's a reward system and a leaderboard. We'll probably get creative with this at some point in the future for like unlocking different things. We've done giveaways in the past, like Sweetwater gift cards. Maybe something like that would be kind of fun in the future. But you'll notice at the top that there are different levels and I can assign different rewards for different levels. So as you get more likes and you get more comments on your posts, you level up. And so people will have, like, you'll have a level on there. And once you reach certain levels, you can unlock different things. So for example, level 2 is really easy to get to. You basically just make one post or one comment, and if you get a couple likes on it, you're basically level 2. And then level 3 is the Lictionary. It doesn't take that long to get there, but I'll keep tweaking this and moving things around as I add more things. My goal is to create probably a course every month for you guys. The hardest one, I think, for me, the most in-depth, was the Nashville Numbers course. So I'm glad that one is out of the way, and we could do some more of these fun ones like deep dives with the Everything Brewster course, or I want to get into modes a little bit too. That'd be kind of fun. And then this is the About page. So as soon as you click on the link in the description below, it'll take you to this page and you can get a 7-day free trial. Try it out and you'll get access to the community, and you'll get to see kind of what this group is all about. But my goal, I would love to get to 10,000 worship guitar players in this group. I think that'd be really fun. You can go to the landing page, see what people are saying. I encourage you to click on these and read through what people are saying about the group. If you want more info on this, the link is in the description below, and I hope to see you over there.